Hey guys, I'm David. In this video I'm going to be making a pizza peel. Here I am breaking down some stock. I have some cherry boards. I cut them down into almost 2-foot sections, and then from there I resawed them on the bandsaw. I want to say I did this more than once because it didn't come out as thick as I liked it the first time. So I did it again, but I didn't film that part. And then I just cleaned them up at the planer. Once I got them close to the thickness I wanted, I ran one edge to the table saw, got a nice joint. And this is some walnut. This is what I'm going to use for the handle. The way it's going to work is the cherry is going to be like the two flap wings, and then the walnut is much longer. You can see it's going to go in the middle. This little knot here, you can see that I'm drawing the line next to, kind of dictated how long my handle is going to be. I wanted it to be a little longer, but this is all I could get out of this one section of wood, and I didn't want to cut a whole nother piece of walnut. So here you can see the two side pieces of cherry surrounding the walnut handle. Kind of forms a paddle. And back to the wood store for some maple. Here I'm just ripping a thin strip. I'm going to use this for a decorative piece down the center of the pizza peel. I'm just trying to find the width of it so I can clean it up with the bandsaw as best I can, get it close. It took me a long time to decide if I was really going to do this. There's a lot of work up to this point, milling all the material and getting glued up, and now I'm just going to cut it in half, and if it didn't work, then I got to start all over. A little nerve-wracking. And so far, so good. Here I'm using Titebond 3, which has a little longer of an open time, but still really nerve-wracking getting this thing glued up because it kept wanting to slide on me. I had downloaded a pattern that I wanted to use, but when it came time to actually use it, I couldn't find it. So I just went from memory on what I kind of thought it looked like and free-handed a little sketch, tried to get it the same on both sides. Turned out pretty good, I thought. since there's a lot of curves on this thing, I used one of these spongy sandpaper holders. This thing worked out really well. I could get in the handle and around the handle end, and it was a really nice little addition. As far as finish goes, I just used a mineral oil and beeswax mix. I figured it's gonna have a pizza on it eventually. Might as well use food safe stuff. Looks nice though. I love that cherry and that walnut when it pops like this. Beautiful. Well, there you go. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, all that stuff. Come see how I make something else.